Hello everyone, you're welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be discussing with you the update on the PEC-G. A while ago I made a video about this PEC-G and a lot of people apply. So right now we are going to the next stage of the application. You will recall that on PEC-G, of course, it has a table, and deadline for the application of the pre-registration form was on the 9th of May, but it started from the month of March, as we can see here, and it ended in the month of May. I also made a video that some people have been contacted by the embassy, sending them documents and all of that. But right now, the stage we are in right now is announcement of pre-qualified candidates on the DCE website, and I'm going to be showing us everything. So today I'm making this video today, 2nd of June 2026, and this is the exact day that it is listed also on the website that the results will be announced. So the result has been announced right now, and we are going to analyze it together. Thereafter, what the next stage is going to be deadline for pre-qualified candidate to submit application document. As I speak to you, embassy, for example, embassy in Nigeria has asked people to send their documents. So if you are yet to send your documents to the embassy, please kindly do so as soon as possible, especially if you see your name on the pre-qualified list. If your name is there, don't just know that you are already qualified. Although we are having some serious concern, because right now I'm seeing more than 3,000 names on the list, and the slots, according to PEC-G, the slots they have is just 1,500. So it's like it's doubled the figure they actually announced. So now I'm going to be taking you straight to the list. All right guys, so this is PEC-G list. As we can see, PEC-G, PEC-PLE 2027 pre-classificados, or pre-qualified candidate. I beg your pardon. So here the names are listed according to the country PEC-G inscription, the country where you apply for, and of course they also listed the embassy. On this list you are going to see everything. If your name has been pre-classified, is going to be on this list. So as you can see, it is actually difficult. You can actually use Ctrl F to search for your name. For example, I can search for Michael. If you search for Michael, it's going to bring you all the Michael that are on this list, on and on. But to make it easier, I'm going to analyze the data, this name, so that we can visualize it very well. I'm going to be showing us the numbers of people that apply based on the countries. All right, so here on my screen you can see the PEC-G, PEC-PLE, number of pre-selected candidates by country based on the data that was released in March 2025. So from this list we can see that a lot of people applied from Angola. Angola is the country that has highest numbers of applicants, and the total number of applicants from Angola is 300, followed by Guinea-Bissau. Guinea-Bissau also has 300. That is incredible, guys. Then we have the Republic of Congo. All these countries we are mentioning, they are Portuguese speaking countries, so there is no much surprise. So the next one after Republic of Congo is Mozambique. Mozambique has 287 candidates. They too, they are Portuguese speaking country. But the one that is shocking me is this one, Nigeria. Don't worry about it. Is the software that I use that changes is actually Nigeria. So this Nigeria is having 287 candidates, dragging it with other Portuguese speaking countries. So they are having 287, while Mozambique is having 280. Nigeria is having 283, while Mozambique is having 287. That is incredible. And the next one is Cabo Verde. Cabo Verde is having 202, and Republic of Congo is having 201. Then Benin is having 151. Bangladesh is having 136, followed by Peru. Peru is having 119, followed by Guinea. Then is having, Kenya. Kenya is having 114. Burkina Faso is having 102. Then Sao Tome and Principe is having 83. Then Togo 79. Cuba 68. Paraguay 60. Colombia 52. Senegal 50. Jamaica 46. Ghana 43. Equatorial Guinea is having 42. Botswana is having 41. Timor-Leste is having 41. South Africa is having 39. Panama is having 38. Chile is having 36. Bolivia is having 35. Costa de Marfin is having Costa Rica is having 32. Ecuador is having 31. Tanzania is having 27. Mali 19. Mexico 18. Honduras is having 17. Costa Rica 16. France, is it France or France, is having 14. Then Guatemala is having 14. Wow. Then we have this country Turkey. I'm not sure about the name. I may need to go back to my original data and figure out the names of this. They are having this country is having 14. Then Morocco is having, what is the data of Morocco? Morocco is having 13. Dominican Republic is having 13. Argentina 12. Egypt 11. China 10. Gabon 10. Cameroon 9. Angola, Zambia. We can see their names. Trinidad and Tobago, El Salvador, Namibia, Hungary, Poland, Tunisia. You can see that even European countries are here. Tunisia, Barbados, Korea do Sul, South Korea do Sul. So we have Iran, we have Belize, we have Saint Lucia. So guys, this is incredible. We can see the visualization. Like I said, the total number of candidates is 3,590. Don't forget that the total number of application that was published is 1,500. Then we have 60 different countries, and Angola is topping, and Nigeria, one of the countries that is not Portuguese speaking country that is also dragging with Portuguese speaking country is Nigeria. This is incredible, guys. Then we have people from Africa, Latin America, Asia, so the software I used, I kind of divide them in total number of candidates, countries where they are from, largest delegations, and the region where they are from. So we have applicants from Africa, Latin America, Caribbean, we have Asia and Oceania, and we have Europe and the Middle East. So it is not about Africa, it is not about Latin America alone. We have people coming from Europe as well. So guys, this is incredible, and this is actually giving me good goosebumps actually, and I want to give kudos to the governor. I want to give kudos to Brazil. This is incredible. You can imagine if other countries that has developed can also help others that are coming. You can imagine how the world will be good. So guys, if your name is on the list, congratulations. So don't forget, you need to send your document to the embassy for the next stage of the application, which is document analysis stage. Okay, so guys, this is what I have for you in this video. If you are here to send your document to the embassy of your country, make sure you do that now. If your name is on the list, I want you to drop a comment, and I'm going to be sending you my congratulations. Don't forget that you still have another stage to pass through, but along the line, I'm praying that God will see you through. I'm wishing you best of luck. Send your document to the embassy as soon as possible. If you know someone also whose name is on this list, I want you to drop me a comment. And if you need a clarification of any kind, drop a comment. I'll be swift to respond to your comments. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. At a breve. Ciao, ciao.